Oh my Lord, Aaron, what are you doing? You need everything. You need all the first aid. What are you doing?
I'm making Tunnel of Love angel food cake for Easter, as you well know.
Zoe, you know the story about the Wonder Wand, don't you?
Yes.
Aaron, why don't you tell people what happened? That's why I'm here with the emergency first aid kit.
You can tell them, Zoe.
She put her finger in it and it was bleeding for about 12 hours.
Is that true?
Yes, I was making you lemon bars for Christmas morning, and for whatever incredible reason, when it got stuck here, I put my finger in to clear it out, and my finger was still on the on button, and I pressed it. Fortunately, our neighbor across the street is a doctor, and she came over and looked at it and said, if it doesn't stop bleeding in like another 2 hours, go to the emergency room.
Lemon bars aren't supposed to be pink.
You know, some people would just be appreciative that I tried.
You know, I have to say that you are one of the most attractive women who lives in Whoville, because your hair is amazing.
I just wanted to get it out of my face.
It's amazing. It really is. All right.
Zoe, Daddy's making fun of Mommy.
So we're making whipped cream. What are we making whipped cream?
All right, this is Tunnel of Love cake. So you start with this. This is marshmallow. This is a bag of marshmallows, half a cup of chocolate chips,
Right.
a little bit of salt and some water. You
Right.
melt it very carefully over the stove till it gets to about this consistency. Now we whip the cream into a soft cake, so we're going to fold that into this,
Okay.
and then it will be time for the tearing.
Oh, the tearing of the
Dun,
cake.
dun, dun, dun.
Make it go. Danger! Danger! Danger!
Your dad is so immature.
He's a weirdo.
All right, we survived that part. Okay, what's next?
All right, this is the tearing of the cake. This is something the daughter, as savage as Zoe, will enjoy. So
Have we washed hands?
Yes, we have.
Yes, we have.
Decent human beings actually bake their angel food cakes, but that would involve, you know, effort.
Effort, right.
So why would I do that? But here's what we do. Now, Zoe, we want to have room inside the cake to do all of the yummy chocolate stuff. So what we're going to do is very carefully.
So you're not taking it all out?
We're just very carefully try to leave all of the sides intact.
Right.
So you want to keep the sides intact, okay? So we're just doing this from the top.
Now, a lot of people don't know, but if you listen, you can actually hear the angel screaming. Ready? Listen.
I'm sorry, he's your daddy. He's the only one I could find at the time. Now, this is
What's that?
Now leave this, try to leave the sides protected. Now, unfortunately, this is a smaller cake, so it's kind of showing on that side, but we'll fix that with whipped cream frosting.
Tunnel of Love, angel food cake, and we're back.
You know that none of the angels really screamed, right, Zozo?
Pretty much, it was just Dad doing his weird voice.
Okay.
Whatever.
So now what we have the little chunks of cake that we just pulled out of the angel food cake, and if you see, the exterior is
Right.
more or less still the same.
What
right?
about the low parts here?
Like my grandmother used to say, paint or whipped cream frosting can cover a multitude of sins. Okay?
We said that on our honeymoon. Go ahead.
But there's no paint for here, so we use whipped cream. Okay, Zoe, next thing we do is we're going to pull some of our whipped cream mixture, about half of it, because we've got another cake to do. Okay. Now we are very gently going to fold this in. Remember the folding thing? Will you do that? Remember, folding is not stirring. It's sort of very gently. Gently.
That's what it is.
There. Now it's perfect.
There, now you're folded.
There we go.
Now where's that go?
Now what we're going to do, Missy, oh, that's good. Okay, now we're going to very carefully spoon these chunks back into the cake.
Oh, drone cam. I have no idea what this looks like.
Fortunately, drones are silent, but Dad's still going to try. Don't encourage him. When you laugh, you encourage him. You know you're encouraging him, right?
We'll be back after you fill it up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where you going now?
I'm going to go put these in our downstairs fridge because we don't have enough room in the upstairs fridge.
Can I just turn this one slightly? Oh, it's the much desired volcano lava. You better put it in the fridge really quick. Okay. Careful, 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 careful.
I'm so going to smack you when
I love you. I'm going to go hide.
Yeah, it's for the best. That was all right. So this is the whipped cream you do for the outside of the cake. Because if you look at the cake, it really doesn't look that pretty. It's kind of don't touch my cake. Even my mom will tell you.
That's gorgeous.
It will look better when it's frosted.
That's chocolate. Anything with chocolate is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Okay, what do we have?
This is Nana's infamous Tunnel of Love Easter cake. So the only thing I did is I covered up the unsightly inside by putting another layer of whipped cream on the outside.
Nice.
And then some robin's eggs
Oh
for
wait,
color.
this one's prettier because look at the sunlight.
Saying
Oh!
that is Jen frosted that one. You're judging me again.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You've
It's
always liked
gorgeous. Happy Easter.